Hey, it's Sean Callagy, 2020 Vision. We're creating dreams and breakthroughs and crushing fear and distortion. Had a super incredible conversation last night with a person that will remain nameless, but they share with me, they're like, I watch your videos all the time and I really kind of loved what you were doing, but my question was, were you for real? And the question of for realness was something I really began to ponder. I'm like, for real? And by the way, he said, I've seen you now for a couple of days. We spent time together. He's like, I'm blown away with your capability, your mission, what you're doing. I get it. It's like all this wonderful stuff. But my thought was, when we're shooting videos, I have two quick thoughts. When we're shooting videos, like, how do we come across? Like, you're supposed to, the camera dilutes energy. So if you're making videos, understand the camera dilutes energy. So you have to really be in a major state in conveying energy. Like, I feel like I'm in a hyped up state of energy right now, and it's probably showing about half that energy. So the first question is, how do you come across authentically, but have energy, factoring in the notion that the camera dilutes energy? So quick question. So I'd love hearing some feedback. Like, what would you like to see more from me? How am I coming across for you? Because this person said you love the videos, but still had questions about who I was that really shifted after spending some time in person and hearing me speak publicly in person. So that was like a wow moment. So any advice or feedback you have on that, I'd be really appreciative. Second, know this. There's one formula for the creation of all results. There's one. And it involves three components. In addition, there's one mechanism, one formula from going from hello to yes with people. Now, why do I share that? I share that because for a lot of folks, we hear personal development information, we hear different things, and we're like, oh, if I could take one thing away. I don't believe in that. These videos daily are both to anchor you and to reinforce the notion that there is one mechanism to create the outcomes you want in whatever it is that you're doing. Imagine if people are like, oh, technology, like I don't know what we're going to do. Let me just take a shot at seeing if these two wires connect and something can happen. No, there's one formula for making advanced technology for phones, right? There's one formula for how your washing machine works. There's one formula for how you shoot a jump shot, right? There's also one formula for how you produce all results, how you go from hello to yes with people, how you optimize and create connections and have people see their future in you. It's human technology. And that's what these videos are about every day. They're not about motivation, inspiration. They're here to remind you about being intentional about your life, how to see what you're not seeing, but also to share these formulas with you each and every day. So that's my message for today. Like, there's a formula. What's yours for the things that you do? Keep watching, please keep sharing, keep connecting. And by the way, Legendary Mastermind is coming up in Los Angeles on March 12th and 13th. I couldn't be more excited about that. I will be seeing you soon. Hey, we're all just remembering to see. I'm Sean. Thanks.